So hey guys, it's Blessing. Today is my last day of school and I'd vlog today. I got up like 20 minutes ago and I still haven't done anything to my hair. Plus, I just finished brushing my teeth. So yeah, I was gonna film that, but I was like, you guys don't need to see that. I'm in my school uniform. By the way, this is my PE uniform. So yeah, we have the uniform to school. I'm pretty sure I said that in like different videos, but yeah, after school, I'm gonna try my best to do like a little vlog today. Side studying is really terrible. I'm gonna try my best to do a little vlog today. My school is a no phone zone, so I'm gonna try my best to vlog around that. I got up like 20 minutes ago and my hair is kind of looking weird, but yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna just try my best to vlog today. Maybe do a little get ready with me, but I don't wear makeup or anything, so it's about to be really short. But yeah, that's what's happening so far.
Zuzi on the track.
Okay, so I am downstairs and the lighting is great, but that little get ready with me clip that you saw, that was literally 2 seconds long. I didn't even apply the only piece of makeup I own, which is the lip gloss. So we're gonna apply that right now. I'm not an MUA, so you know, don't get triggered. I'm not like an MUA, so like, please don't judge me. And it's that easy, boys and girls. That was my everyday makeup routine, so if you guys want one, you got it right now. It's literally 2 seconds long. This vlog is a little bit all over the place, but it is like 7:45 right now, so I have like 5 minutes until I leave my house. I need to put on my jumper, my school jumper, and I need to put on my shoes. And I didn't even set my streaks on Snapchat. Be right back. Okay, so I just got finished setting my streaks, so now I'm about to put on my shoes and put on my school jumper. And then I'm about to... That was extra. So you guys can barely see me, but I am ready to go. By the way, there's gonna be kind of blurs on the screen because I'm not trying to show my school logo. I said this in other videos before, but I'm not trying to expose myself, sister. No. Okay, I got my keys, I got my purse, and I have my earphones, and I have my bag right here. By the way, I have my bag from last year. Why am I holding it like this? This bag instead of my Nike bag, because my Nike bag, like the zip broke like last week. So yeah, I'm just using my old bag from last year for like the last couple of days. So today's the last day. I feel like I said that 10 times. But yeah, now I'm ready to go. So let's go. Okay, so right now I am walking to school. It is 7:56 and the bus I'm taking comes in like 9 minutes, so I kind of have to hurry up a little bit. And the birds are really loud and the lighting is really bad. But yeah, I'm off to school. Let's get it. So the lighting is literally so bad, but me and my friend Farida, hi. We're walking up to the new stop right now. This is about to come in like 3 minutes, but you know, it's okay. So I just walked to school and I saw Farida, and she usually takes the Duis as well, so yeah. Okay, so I'm kind of in front of my school right now, and we're not allowed to like have our phones, our vlog on the inside or have our phones on inside. So I'll see what I can vlog when I go inside. So yeah, bye. It's 10 past 10. Yeah, it's 10 past 10. Oh my. So I'm just walking out of school right now. All these are making noise. Yeah, but it's 11:45 and I'm finally finished school. I'm just happy that like I'm finished second year. Third year is gonna be a drag, but no one's ready for third year. Oh my gosh, this is not funny. Stop. So I've been back home for a while now, and I just wanted to say that I'm finished school now. Sorry that this vlog was literally all over the place. I wasn't kind of planning to do this vlog, but I decided to do it since I did the first day of school. I decided to do it last day. Like I said, I wasn't able to film actually during school because you're not allowed to like use your phone during school. So yeah. So I just tried to vlog what I could. Tried to do a little get ready with me. Like I said, I don't wear makeup, so that's why it was really short. But that's basically it. I'm so happy that I'm finished second year. Only thing that's like kind of making me nervous is the fact that I'm starting third year, and that means I have to do my junior cert, and your junior cert is this big state exam that is basically on everything you've done from first year to third year. So super excited about that. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It was probably all over the place. Don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I'm probably just gonna go watch it 100 and then try edit this together real quick. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this vlog. Sorry that it's all over the place, because like I said, I just tried to film when I could. And yeah, comment down below when you're finished school, if you're finished school soon. I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. My social medias will be down below like they always are. By the way, thank you guys so much for 3.5k subscribers. We are getting so close to 3.6k, so subscribe if you're new. I think that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.